Welcome back. I painted another batch of ornaments with my acrylic paints, and now I need to seal them. Previously, I went ahead and did the clear spray paint, and I tried some different varnishes. And I did like the varnishes, how they gave the brush strokes, and it was a textured look. But with these, I just want them a little simpler, and I just would like the glass, the clean glass look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some resin. I mixed up about 4 ounces of the Unicone Art resin, and I'm gonna pour it all on here. I'm gonna let it cure 12 to 24 hours. So tomorrow evening we'll come back and we'll check it out. So I'll go ahead and fast forward the video, and then we'll see how they turn out. Alrighty, it has been 12 hours and these are hard to the touch. They still have some more curing time left, but I think they turned out beautiful. I love the resin idea. Gonna let them sit another, probably overnight, another 12 hours, just to be sure. And then I'll put the tops on, and I'm gonna put some parchment in between all of them, just a little more curing time, and then add them to the art festival. So resin is super fun. I did enjoy doing that. And there we go. Be sure to drop me a comment in the comment box if you have any questions, or if you like it to share anything. I'd love to hear it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.